My video is about getting rid of the misleading and scary alerts that are related to the website Furyextloop.com. Furyextloop.com is a deceptive pop-up that may attack Google, Chrome and other browsers. The website displays a lot of faulty and misleading information. In fact, it says the following text: your computer is probably overloaded. Attention, we highly recommend cleaning up errors and increasing the speed of your computer. For this, install the extension. So the real purpose of these pop-ups by Furyextloop.com is to force customers into downloading and installing some third-party extension, but this extension is not something decent. It tries to basically infect your Google Chrome browser with some unwanted extension that may display the great portion of advertisements. Some of these extensions may function as a browser hijacker that may change some crucial browser settings, and they might periodically redirect your search queries through random websites. So if you see these pop-ups by Furyextloop.com, do not interact with them and do not install anything that they suggest. And of course, in case any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome, you should get rid of them. This is how you can do it. Access the menu, click on More Tools, click on Extensions, then disable and remove this extension. So this should be sufficient enough, and of course, if you see any other third-party extensions you don't remember installing directly, get rid of them. I would also recommend researching your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the software that can help you clean both Windows and Mac computers, depending on your current operating system. So get it on the website combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program and begin researching your device with its help to identify and remove other infections from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.